Okay, question 13. The front and side elevations of a prism with a pentagon as its cross section are drawn on the 1 centimetre square grid. Okay, so obviously the front elevation is what the shape looks like from the front, and the side elevation is what it looks like from the side. Draw accurately the plan of the prism on the grid below. So the plan is what the shape looks like from above. So it's like a bird's eye view. Okay, so let's get going on this. So the first thing I would do, okay, is I say, well, hang on, it's 6 wide. So I know that for me, looking at it from above, it's also going to be 6 wide. So I'm going to start off by drawing a shape like that. Okay. Now we need to find the height of what it would look like from above. Now you can see here that this side is 3 tall and this side here is also 3 tall. Now these are two sides that match up. So the remaining side, which is 4, okay, is what I must be able to see from above. Okay, so I'm going to finish off drawing my rectangle, my 6x4 rectangle, like this. Okay, now that would give you 1 mark, okay, because that's what it looks like from above. But actually, if you have a look, okay, we compare our two sides that are 4 long, okay, this one is sloping. So if I was to look at it from above, from up here, yeah, it would seem that I go 1, and there would be a line, and then, okay, there would be the remaining 3. Because obviously it's an angle, so it's not going to look just like a straightforward rectangle from above, that we would be able to see this line in it as well. Okay, so that's how we do part A. Part B, okay, says calculate the volume of the prism. Now this one is a little bit trickier, but still not too bad. Okay, so it tells up here that it's got a pentagon that's cross section. Now if you know anything about prisms, to find the volume, you do the area of the cross section and you times it by how deep the shape is. So we already know that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 deep. It's 6 centimetres is the depth. So what remains is we need to find the area of the cross section. Okay, so what we do, if we find the area of, imagine this was a whole rectangle. Okay, so imagine we had this bit here and it was all filled in. Do it a bit quicker. We can find the area of the rectangle, then find the area of this triangle and take it away, and the remaining area is going to be the area of that cross section. So area of rectangle is 3 times 4, which is 12. Let's make it like that. So 3 times 4 equals 12. Okay. And then, well, the area of a triangle is half base times height. So we're going to have half times the base, which is 2, times the height, which is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 2 times 3 is 6, and if we halve it, that gives us 3. Okay, the area of the whole rectangle is 12, and just this triangle here is 3. Okay, so that means the remaining part, if we do 12 take away 3, is going to be 9. Okay, so the area of the pentagon, the pentagonal cross section, is 9 centimetres squared. Okay, and then like I said before, all we need to do is times it by the depth. So I'm going to do 9 times 6, which equals 54. Okay, so that must mean that the volume is 54 centimetres cubed.